Welcome to Life Guru, your sanctuary for inner peace and personal growth. In today's video, we'll explore the world of stress relief techniques and meditation practices. Life's challenges may be overwhelming, but we've got your back. Join us as we uncover powerful tools to ease your mind and embrace serenity. Let's begin. 1. Deep breathing exercises. First on our journey to tranquility is the art of deep breathing. Let's take a moment to slow down and connect with our breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this cycle and feel the calmness wash over you. Try this breathing exercise with us. Inhale, hold, exhale. How do you feel now? Share your experience in the comments below. 2. Mindfulness meditation. Next, we dive into the beauty of mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable position and focus your awareness on the present moment. Acknowledge your thoughts without judgment, gently bringing your attention back to your breath or a chosen anchor. This practice cultivates awareness and reduces stress. Let's take a mindful minute together. Close your eyes and breathe in the present moment. Ready? Begin. 3. Guided visualization. Another stress relief gem is guided visualization. Close your eyes and let your imagination transport you to a peaceful place, a serene beach, a lush forest, or a tranquil garden. Engage all your senses, and let the positive energy embrace you. So, if you could travel anywhere in your mind, where would you go? Share your dream destination in the comments. 4. Progressive muscle relaxation. Now, let's release physical tension with progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and relax each muscle group, starting from your toes and moving upward. Feel the soothing wave of relaxation flow through your body. Take a moment to unwind with us. Tense and relax. How does your body feel now? Let us know. 5. Gratitude meditation. As we conclude, let's cultivate gratitude through meditation. Reflect on the blessings in your life, big or small, and express heartfelt thanks. Gratitude empowers us to embrace positivity and release stress. Share one thing you're grateful for today. Let's celebrate the beauty of gratitude together. Congratulations! You've embarked on a journey of stress relief and meditation practices. Remember, these techniques are a treasure trove of tranquility, accessible whenever you need them. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Life Guru for more peaceful and empowering content. May serenity and calmness guide your every step. Until next time, take care and stay grounded.